Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a credit card that can give you more than you could think of, you're in the right place. I'm going to review the Atlas credit card. I'm going to show you all the lovely features that you can benefit from. So let's check them out. One of the standout features that I would like to talk about is its impressive travel rewards program. Now, you can earn points on literally every single purchase, and those points can be redeemed for flights or hotel stays or even other travel related expenses that you may occur. This makes it a fantastic option for frequent travelers or those looking to book their next big trip and get some discount on that. Another option that they offer is a cashback. So in addition to the travel rewards, the Atlas credit card also offers the cashback program. You can earn a percentage of your purchases back as statement credit, which is a fantastic perk. It also has a no foreign transaction fee. So this is another great benefit. You also get travel insurance, which includes coverage for trip cancellations, interruptions, and even delays. This can provide a lot of peace of mind and help you to plan your vacation or your trip for whatever reason in peace. The next thing I want to speak about is the purchase protection. And talking about peace of mind, this credit card offers the purchase protection, which helps you safeguard your purchases against damages, even theft or loss for a certain period of time. You also get an extended warranty. So on top of that purchase protection, the credit card extends the manufacturer's warranty on eligible purchases, giving you another extra layer of protection. You also get credit score monitoring, and this is a handy feature if you are wanting to keep a close eye on your credit health. You also don't have any annual fees that pop out of nowhere, so you get all these great benefits without having to pay that yearly fee, which you may not expect. You also get flexible redemption. So what is this? So when it comes to redeeming your rewards, you have a lot of flexibility. You can use your points to travel, you can use it for cashbacks, you can use it for gift cards, and there's a whole lot more that you can actually use your reward points for. You also get a great deal of customer service. So it comes with a 24/7 service plan. So you can get help literally whenever you need. If you're looking for credit card on the go, you do have the mobile app option. It's easy to use and you can manage your account like anywhere you are. Then the last thing I want to just mention is that it has a high level of security. So of course, every card is equipped with the latest security features, and this is no different. It's got chip technology and fraud monitoring, and this will keep your information safe, and most of all, it will keep your finances safe. If you are looking for a credit card that's going to give you a ton of benefits, I do seriously recommend checking out the Atlas credit card. It's a great all-round option, and it can help you maximize your rewards and also make the most of the money that you're spending. To get started, you can jump onto their website and add your information and apply for their credit card. Within a few minutes, you can have a brand new Atlas credit card. Thanks for tuning into this review. We'll see you next time. Peace out.